Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Lexus ES350 maintenance light. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer reading is visible on the dashboard display. Next, find the trip button, usually near the steering wheel, and press it repeatedly until the odometer or trip is shown. This sets us up for the next crucial step in the reset process. Now let's perform the actual reset. Turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip button. While still holding the trip button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the button. You will see a series of dashes appear on the display, indicating the reset is in progress. Hold it until the maintenance light disappears. Once the maintenance light has successfully turned off, you can release the trip button. Now, start your Lexus ES350 engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If, for any reason, the light reappears, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right, so be patient and follow the instructions precisely. Keeping up with your Lexus ES350 regular maintenance is key to avoiding these warning lights in the first place. Always refer to your owner's manual for recommended service intervals and specific procedures. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial health, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.